Hello, and I'm Rafi Jabaran, and this is my video testing for my denoising project. It should be able to remove noise from audio files and read the RR intervals from ECGs. I will be testing phase 2 objectives in this video, and I'll start off with the GUI should be hosted using Flask, allowing easy transition through pages and functions. So first of all, we can see here that my website is utilizing Flask and is running, and we can see here that it is on the Flask app using Flask. So if we go to my website, we can see here that you can go through these pages quite nicely, and it allows all these different Python functions to be used. So we can take this as a success. Now the next objective is the GUI should also be able to spot between different levels of denoising, such as the cutoff frequency. So as we can see here, I have selected a song, I have my cutoff frequency, and I'm able to select different value, which is then passed through here and used in the filter as shown in my code. This means I can mark this one off as a success. I'm now going to test that the final contrast of the denoising algorithm should be displayed on screen as a frequency domain graph. So I've just let this filter. It does take a little while, so I will record again when it finishes. So as we can see here, it may not be a large difference because I chose quite a great cutoff frequency, but you can see the filter take effect within this graph quite very insignificantly because it is quite a smooth filter, but you can see it smooth it out, which is audible in the other objectives. So we can tick this off as it shows it as a frequency domain graph. We have our frequency as our domain and our amplitude as the y-axis. The next test is that whether there is a user login system to keep files on their account. So as we can see here is my login. So I can log in as test4, and then if I look at my song list, we can see here that test4's songs are showing up. However, if I log out and log in with a different account, let me get that password right, and denoise the songs, see your songs. As you can see here, the songs are connected to the account as only this user's songs are appearing and they do not overlap. So therefore, their files are on their account using the login system. Finally, the user should be able to create an account on a separate web page. So here we can see if the user does not already ever have an account, there is a create a new account button where the user can put one in. So we use test6 and a new password 2004. If we submit that, they are automatically logged in, but we can now see that test6 and 2004 is a valid login, so we can tick this off. Hi, back again as an extension of the last two objectives, which are user login system and creating an account. As we can see, if I drag in my database and look in the users, we can see we have a lot of users, and these are them all. So if we now go onto here and create a new account, so let's do test7 as that was not on here, as you can see, and submit. So now if we put the new database in, we can see here that test7 has been added to the database along with the hash version of their password.